dash. All right, YouTube, we're outside again. Another electric dirt bike. Today we have LIFEMAGIC M9. This is the LIFEMAGIC M9. This is a 60 volt electric dirt bike. This one has the 1412 wheel setup. This one is currently priced at $9.99. With my coupon code, you're going to get it for under $1,000. So for that price, you are getting a sleek, all black electric dirt bike. You are getting a 3600 watt motor. You're getting a 45 mile an hour top speed. You're getting 60 volts, 28 amp hours. Come on, man. Come on, man. You cannot beat it for the price. There are 48 volt dirt bikes that cost more than this. This is 60 volts. This also has a Bluetooth speaker for you to listen to your tunes while you're riding. It also has a kill switch so that if you trying to do a wheelie and you're not good at wheelies, or if you're in any kind of trouble and you're about to loop out, yank that cord, lose all power, prevent yourself from crashing out. More than anything though, you got a tunable controller. So what I know and you know is if this is 60 volts and you have a tunable far driver controller, this 45 mile an hour top speed goes out the window. Could definitely do a lot better than that. So as you can see, I'm already outside testing it out. They give you the choice of a headlight or a number plate. I'm a weirdo. I put both of them on. But it's your guy, not your average trucker. We're outside with the LIFEMAGIC M9 electric dirt bike. We're gonna see what it's about. Let's do it. One more look at this thing before we continue our journey. But like I said, this thing has a far driver and a Bluetooth speaker. Listen.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You heard? So when you out here,
the Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
When you're out ready to take a joyride, beat up the trails, come out in nature, whether you're parking or riding, connect your phone to the speaker, listen to your favorite podcast, listen to some music, and enjoy yourself. Party is right here. LIFEMAGIC M9. And let's also remember, this is the 1412 setup, but they also have the M9 Pro, which is a 1714 setup, and a beefier battery, beefier motor. So if the M9 doesn't scratch the itch that you have, the M9 Pro definitely will. And like I said, I'll include a coupon code that works on both bikes. Both bikes look similar. The Pro version, bigger motor. You can have a longer swing arm, bigger wheels, set up for, a taller human. But it's your guy, not your average trucker. Let's continue this joyride, you heard? YouTube, made it back. Very first ride out with the LIFEMAGIC M9. Cannot see that at all, huh? I rode it for about an hour. I did 9.6 miles. Max speed was 40 miles an hour. So like I said, I saw the display say 45, but GPS number 1 says 40. GPS number 2 also says 40, which means that I did 40. Like I tell you all the time, man, I'm 5'10", 194 pounds. But again, this is a 60 volt e-bike with a far driver controller, which means that they obviously shipped it in a manner in which to make it a lot safer for the general consumer. But somebody like me, download the far driver app and adjust your settings, your RPM, your amp output, and crank everything up, and you will do a lot more than the 40 miles an hour I just did. But like I said, solid bike, currently priced under $1,000. And with my coupon code, you're gonna get it for a lot less than that. Also comes with goodies. You get stickers for your number plate. You get a bag for you to put your phone and your wallet, other essentials in while you're riding. Like I said, you get the choice between a headlight and a number plate. And customer service so far is good. Keep in mind, LIFEMAGIC also had another version of the M9. This is the new body style. So you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. 60 volt removable battery, high wattage motor, tunable controller, Bluetooth speaker. Come on, man. All of that for under $1,000. You cannot beat it. Another deal to make your summer and your fall a positive scenario. But I give this one a thumbs up. Salute the LIFEMAGIC. This is the M9. They also have a pro version. Get you one. Coupon code in the description.